Dear viewers, I hope you all are very fine. Today I will show you another selection tools. This is object selection tool. So let's get started. Object selection tool is actually an artificial intelligence tool. You can see here it has 4 buttons. Here is the object finder option. Here is a checker box. Here is a gear, and here is a mode. Sample all layers. You can select multiple layers objects. Hard edge will be hard, and select subject and select mask. So if we see, please see that I have this mode, new selection mode on. I am clicking. Here is lasso tool mode, so that I am selecting an area. Then if I add this with this selection, I can again draw and it will be added with the previous selection. This will be doing subtract from the selection. I do not need this section, so this is subtracted. Also, this is intersection. If I draw these teeny lines here, only these lines would be selected, otherwise all others will be deleted. So I hope guys you understand the mode. Okay, you understand the mode. Then here is object finder. You can see that when I hover over the mouse on the image or subject, it is showing as the object finder has selected. So, and this, if I am clicking, it is automatically selected, you can see. But if I click this checkbox, it will always show the overlays. It is always show the overlays. I am turned off this checkbox, the overlays gone. If I turned off object finder, you can see I can select this and click this to minus. Okay, I am pressing Ctrl D. Okay, Ctrl D. Please select this. Okay, don't worry. I am again back to the object finder. You can see that it is gone. Okay, so object finder I am turned it off, and now you can see that no overlays or no object Photoshop automatically displays to us. Okay, so I am turning it off. Then what I will do, if you select the mode rectangle, we need to select a rectangle area complete covering the subject or object we want to select. Then we left the mouse button and it will be selected. This is the when clicking. But when we select the object finder, then it will Photoshop automatically show the overlays. Also, here is a gear icon. We can object subtract, auto refresh mode. We can change the overlay options. We can change any color here, blue, yellow, as we wish. Also outline, pixel and opacity we can select it. So I hope guys you got the point. If you like this quick tutorial, please subscribe my channel to get this type of tips and tricks, and for learning entire Photoshop in the quick videos. So that's all guys for today. Take care.